H-type automatic battery cage for layer. It is an automatic battery cage system for commercial layer farming. 4-tier vertical structure designed for high-density poultry houses. Hot-dip galvanized steel frame ensures over 25 years service life. Automatic chain or spiral feeding system with uniform feed distribution. Feed loss reduced by about 15% compared with manual feeding. Adjustable nipple drinking system delivers stable water pressure. Water consumption controlled at around 200 milliliters per bird per day. Automatic egg collection belt keeps egg breakage rate below 2%. We are really poultry farm equipment manufacturer. Our branches are China, Ethiopia, Tanzania, and Nigeria. Contact us now for a customized cage and farm turkey solution.